if it were up to us, if we were your trainers, we would have you
Lana Sexual. So this is a long question, but I'll summarize it. Basically, she's a 22-year-old girl. She weighs 115 pounds and she counts her calories every day. It sounds like she's been dealing with using bad diets in the past and is worried about metabolism damage. Her maintenance, she says, is 1,200 calories. And so some days she only eats 800 to 900 calories. And then some days she eats 1,200 because of fear to damage her metabolism. So do you guys approve of my fluctuating calorie intake?
Okay, couple of things here. Just telling us your age and your weight without knowing your height makes it a little difficult for us to tell what your composition is like, because 115 pounds may be a normal weight for someone who's like 4 feet tall, but if you're 5'5" or above, that's really underweight. So I would actually encourage you to gain some more muscle mass. But everyone has their own ideal body type, and if you want to be super thin, that's a personal choice.
And it also matters what your body type is like. Like if you are more of a meso or an endomorph body type, which means you have like bigger bones, you may still be very low body fat.
Yeah, but
so
115, I doubt there's much fat anyway. You want to know if we approve of fluctuating your calories by 300? I'm fine with that.
Absolutely,
I don't have a problem with going up and down 300 based on your daily activities and what you see on the scale and stuff. I don't recommend you weigh yourself every day, and I also think that 800 to 900 calories is really low.
She says she goes on fast walks for an hour a day, so it sounds like she's not like doing a typical fitness program.
Yeah, if it were up to us, if we were your trainers, we would have you working out in the gym instead of just walking, doing more like full body movements,
or even just a body weight.
Yeah, exactly.
Doesn't need to be the gym.
It doesn't have to be the gym, but I'm saying we would have you do a program that has you doing full range of motion movements instead of walking only.
Like LiveLeanTV.
Eating, LiveLeanTV is a good example.
You can do it at home, no equipment needed.
Yeah, depending on your goals, that's how you're going to choose your program. But fluctuating your calories up and down by 300 is not a problem.
Yeah.
But the level you have your calories at might be...
Like 800 calories a day is low.
That does damage your
That worries me a little
bit.
So I think what we need to do is get you working out more, so being more active, so you are burning more calories through the day.
Right, raise your metabolism.
Then you can eat more calories by still being in that deficit.
And you'll stay lean instead of just thin.
Yeah.
So hopefully that helps you out, Lana Sexual.
Now it's time to go take our Live Lean Body Quiz to find you the best program for your specific goals and needs. 4 quick questions, and we're gonna get you on the journey to living lean. Link down below. Question of the day: do you cycle your calories or do you keep them consistent? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Okay, now I want you to go watch a video on the 3 ways to create a calorie deficit for weight loss. This is the smart way to do it. You can go click over here to go watch.